If you are a student in the UK and want to start investing, here's how to do it in this smart way. First, you got to get your basics sorted. Make sure you're not carrying high interest debt and have at least a small emergency fund set aside. Then pick a beginner friendly platform like Freetrade, Trading 212, or Moneybox. They let you start with as little as £1. Open a stocks and shares ISA. If you are eligible, it keeps your gains tax free even as they grow. Start with a low cost index fund or ETF, like one that tracks the global market or the S&P 500. These are less risky and don't require constant monitoring. Now, set up small, regular monthly contributions. Even £10 or £20 a month adds up over time. The earlier you start, the more time compound growth has to do its thing. Now, you don't need a finance degree, just consistency and patience. Follow for more quick and realistic investing tips made for UK students.